Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add different themes to your Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So there are different ways to get to this page, but we're going to just navigate over to google.com, and into Google search, you want to go search up Microsoft Edge add-ons store, and you want to just search for it. And we're going to go ahead underneath Microsoft Edge.microsoft.com. We're going to go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store. And on the left side, you want to go ahead and select themes once this page loads here. And then if you want to choose from a variety of themes listed here, you can. And then you would select that theme over here. It appears I'm running a slightly outdated version of the browser, so that's not letting me actually download it. But generally speaking, that's how you would do it. It's a very simple process, guys, on how to install themes. And if you're looking at how to remove themes too, you could always go back into the settings and more up at the top right, and then select settings. Select appearance on the left side, and then there should be a section that would say current theme underneath default theme. So you want to go ahead and just click the remove button, which would default it back to the default theme. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.